Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to another episode of Flavors and Knowledge. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and this wonderful episode is dedicated to the pizza increasing popularity, which is happening all across the globe and specifically here in the United States. So let's delve into this for a little bit. Pizza has, as you know, transformed remarkably from a humble Italian dish to a culinary favorite worldwide. Its broad appeal knows no bounds, resonating with individuals of all ages and spanning diverse cultural backgrounds. Americans eat approximately 100 acres of pizza daily, or 350 slices per second. There are approximately 68,000 pizzerias in the United States, and approximately 3 billion pizzas are sold in the U.S. each year. Kids between the age of 3 and 11 prefer pizza over all other food groups for lunch and dinner. Pepperoni is America's topping, followed by extra cheese, sausage, mushroom, green peppers, and onion. And of course, anchovies always runs last. We do know that flatbreads were already a dietary staple in ancient civilizations, even before Etruscan times. However, the pizza we recognize today began to take form in the city of Naples, in southern Italy, during the 18th and the 19th centuries. The classic margherita pizza, featuring a simple yet compelling blend of tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil, was conceived as an homage to Queen Margherita of Savoy, rapidly ingrained in the Italian cuisine for its affordability and delectable flavors. The cultural significance of this classic dish endures in every slice enjoyed today. Pizza's journey to international prominence was catalyzed by Italian immigrants who transported their culinary traditions and the techniques to the United States in the late 19th and the early 20th centuries. Pizzeria emerged in cities such as New York and Chicago, places where pizza evolved to align with local preferences. Notable adaptations include the New York-style pizza, which is prized for its large, foldable slices and thin crust, and of course the Chicago-style deep pizza, renowned for its thick, pie-like structure. But there are other different types of pizza, and we'll get into that in another segment. An enthralling facet of pizza's universal appeal lies in its remarkable adaptability. While traditional Italian pizza remains a cherished choice, each culture has infused distinctive variations. In Japan, for instance, pizza may feature toppings like squid and mayonnaise, while in India, one can relish pizza topped with paneer and tandoori chicken. This cultural adaptability enriches pizza appeal and it transforms it into a global culinary odyssey. In addition, the ascent of the fast food industry played a pivotal role in surging pizza popularity. Chains such as Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Papa John's, to mention few, capitalized on the demand for practical, effortless meals by offering delivery and takeout options. Their extensive marketing endeavors and unwavering commitment to quality made pizza a go-to choice for several busy households, college students, and anyone searching for a quick and a gratifying meal. And with its unique social allure, pizza has become synonymous with communal dining experiences, gatherings, and celebrations. Pizza often serves as the centerpiece, whether in a formal rendezvous with friends, a birthday celebration, or a family movie night. Its communal, shareable nature fosters a sense of togetherness, and of course infuses each bite with warmth and comfort. Another contributing factor to pizza's enduring popularity is its boundless variety and customization options. An extensive array of pizza catering to varied tastes from traditional combinations, such as pepperoni and cheese, to high-end toppings like arugula and truffle oil. All of these ensures a pizza suits every palate. The capacity to tailor pizza to accommodate dietary preferences and individual or religious restriction, such as gluten-free or vegan options, adds also a refreshing essence of culinary exploration to each pizza order. And let's face it, dear listeners, recognized as the quintessential comfort food, pizza exudes an irresistible allure with its warm, cheesy goodness and gratifying crust. It possesses a unique ability to evoke feelings of nostalgia and contentment, and during times of stress and celebration, many individuals seek solace and indulgence in pizza, transforming it into a dish and a source of emotional warmth and pure satisfaction. Lastly, the digital era has significantly amplified pizza's appeal. Online ordering platforms and mobile applications have rendered it remarkably convenient to customize and order pizza for delivery or pickup. Social media channels also play a pivotal role, with tantalizing pizza photos and video frequently gaining virality, sparking cravings, and rendering pizza even more accessible. And as I'm wrapping up this particular episode on pizza popularity, you can tell that the pizza shows no indication of waning. Its rich historical heritage, cultural adaptability, convenience, communal appeal, diversity, comfort factor, and digital influence all collectively solidify its status as a beloved global dish. Now, whether relished in a traditional pizzeria, ordered digitally, or perhaps prepared at home, pizza is a unifying force, gratifying global cravings. As culinary trends continue to evolve, one certainty remains: pizza will always maintain a special place in our hearts and certainly in our plates. I would like to end this particular episode by taking you in my kitchen and share with you a wonderful recipe. And I'm going to give you all the information on the show notes, and I will also list the recipe right there for you to download. In the meantime, whether you are in a kitchen or not, or if you decide to make a pizza, always keep your eyes on the fire. I'll get back to you on the next round with another interesting topic. You stay well and eat safe. Ciao, ciao.
Flavors and Knowledge is brought to you by Chef Walter's Cooking School in Cranston, Rhode Island. For classes, workshops, events, and programs, please visit our website at chefwalterscookingschool.com. For all other services offered by Chef Walter's Food Group, check out our main website, chefwalter.com.